Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get live prices of stocks in Google Sheets. So, I want the live price of Nvidia stock. First, I will write Nvidia. Now open a new tab and search Google Finance. In Google Finance, search Nvidia. Here you can see the price of Nvidia Corp, which is $189 today. Below that, you will see the stock code and exchange code, which is NVDA, NASDAQ. Now go to your Google Sheets and use this function for the price. Equals Google Finance, exchange code which is NASDAQ here, stock code which is NVIDIA here, price. Then hit enter. It will start loading, and you will get the NVIDIA stock price in Google Sheets. And always remember, this price can be delayed up to 20 minutes. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.